चोरी चोरी दिल तेरा चुराएंगे.
Starting kiss it.
Yeah.
अपना
So like I don't know. I never did this.
कसम से कि थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार हुआ.
So Jai Hind दोस्तों, welcome back to my English spoken blog. So how are you all of you? I hope you are great and are fine. So friends, just I would like to speak you, and I have come today Lodi Garden. Lodi Garden is such of the place in the Delhi. You can visit and you can talk to the many kind of person, and as well as you will get a foreigners and you will meet. So in this purpose I came here, and just right now when I will meet to the another person, so I want to him give a gift. So that's why I bought a 10 chocolate, you can see. So brother, actually I am blogger. आप कुछ बोलना चाहिएगा? बाय कीजिए. ओके, पे कर दिया ना. So let's go from here. You can see this is location, best location. So just today, actually in this vlog you will get a funny and you will get a enjoy with me on the public place, and it's my purpose when I speak English. So what is the public reaction? So I see public reaction as well as I have to practice. So in this purpose I have to go. So let's go. And Rabi Vikas blogger, today I want to meet him. Okay, so that's why I am to meet him, and already I will get to you meet. Okay, actually bro, you can see English is an international language, is a British language and European language. It's not our native language, so I can mistake little bit. So never mind, and every day I will practice, so definitely I can improve English. Okay, let's go from here. So hello guys, this is the entry gate of the Lodi Garden, so you can see, and just I want to meet Rabi blogger. No problem, but I have to meet. Okay, nowadays I am looking like hero. Okay, so no problem. Where is your Vikas blogger, Rabi blogger, and as well as many kind of blogger? Okay, but cute girls come here. So definitely, and after going there, after meeting him, I will talk to the another person, and as well as I will flirt, because I am flirter, so flutter boy. So please comment me how am I looking today, because without nervous, without getting the hesitation, right now I am speaking. Okay, so because I am handsome, so that's why right now I am facing. Where is Rabi Vikas? So friends, you can see this is a Lodi Garden Tom. Okay, and he's a foreigner, so I would like to talk to him. Okay, because both are the foreigners. Hello sir, how are you? Are you fine? So I am also fine. Good. I am also good. So you can see this place is you can come here. You can remove the hesitation, and as well as right now many person here, so I would like to talk to you. I'm getting a nervous. Okay, but no problem. So friends, just we arrived in front of the Lodi Garden. So you can see this is the location of Lodi Garden. I hope you are watching. So just we have to reach the end, as well as I have to practice in front of the among people, because we have to learner and beginner, so we have to enjoy with another person. So Rabi blogs, Guddu blogs, and many kind of blogger. I hope they come here, and no every day, but I think I listen to the any blogger they came here, so that's why I came here. And you can see this is location of best. So just there are three, and for calls here. So I would like to give them. So you can guess it.
Yeah.
So you can guess what is this in my
Maybe
hand.
it's like a. I don't know. I never did this.
काला जादू कर दिया तेरी आँख सो
You are speaking English.
Yeah, I can speak.
Oh, I think you are speaking English better than me. Yeah, I am speaking better than you.
Maybe I'm speaking better than you.
Oh, why?
Yeah, definitely I'm thinking.
So
I can speak.
in which class do you study?
I'm passed out from school right now.
Pass out.
Yeah.
Graduation passed.
No, school pass out. 12
School
pass
pass
out. And now I'm doing like college.
College.
Yeah,
You are
first
in first yes, second year.
First year.
First year.
Yeah.
So you can guess it.
I don't know, like. I have never
But this
done
is a
this.
chocolate for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
So,
चैन मेरा ले गया
so actually, I would like to give your friends 3 and 4 times so you can see.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
दिल विच बह गया बुलियां ते चुप ओदी
Actually, I am a blogger, English blogger. Right now, I am practicing English, and
Actually, it's good to practice, but
so you would like to speak in my blog. What is the practice is important, grammar is important.
practice is important.
Practice is important.
Yeah.
Why?
अखियां ना गोली मार दिया अंदरों प्यार
Practice makes a man perfect.
Man perfect.
Yeah.
But grammar, you
No,
should
grammar
learn.
doesn't matter. You have to speak sometimes alone or with someone so that
Yeah.
you can learn like where to start or where to end the things. Only this is matter.
Practice is 100%, yeah, 80%.
Maybe 90%,
90%.
and 10% grammar.
10.
Yeah.
So you can see, the speaking practice is 90%
Yeah, I
important.
did the same.
So bye bye.
Bye bye.
दिया अखियां ना गोली मार दिया अंदरों प्यार
Nice to talk to you because you are speaking English. So you can see because she just speaking English right way. Because I think she belong from Delhi. So that's why you can see best location for I wanna meet you or another person. Okay. So in this particular we have to practice every day and as well as every day we have to face many kind of difficult. No problem. So you can see this is the best location. Right now I am the inside in the tomb. Okay. So you can see there are 2 and 3 goals. So hello, you can speak English? No, but I am speaking English. Okay, so this location is fine, I think. So I would like to give the 4 and 5%. Yes, this location. I hope for watching. This is the second tomb, best place. You can see there are many person here. Okay, there are many person. Right now I'm getting enjoying as well as practicing. So my practice is perfect. So I have to speak English one day, improve English, and the best way I will face. So where is Surya Bhai? Stop 2 minutes. Surya Bhai is the best person and he's a vlogger and flutter. So flutter, Surya Bhai.
यस भाई बोलिए यस 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 या
So where are you living right? कहाँ अभी आप रह रहे हो?
अभी हम रह रहे हैं धरती पे
गजब टू विवाद आदमी हो
धरती पे।
यस गाइस
बट आपके साथ आपकी दोस्त नहीं रही है, सिमरन कहाँ है?
दोस्त अभी अपने घर पे हैं
स्टडी चल रहा है ना उसका?
या बहुत तगड़े से
He's a best blogger
Thank you.
and he's a pranker.
या नाइस
So it's Yadav ji. Actually, every time I speak, his Yadav ji.
Yeah.
What's your real name?
माय रियल नेम इज सूर्या यादव
Surya Yadav.
Yeah.
So you can guess. Actually, there is a gift in my hand for you.
ओके थैंक यू टीचर
So you can guess it. What is this?
टॉफी
Toffee. No. This is not toffee. This is gold.
गोल्ड
Gold.
आज हम अमीर हो जाएंगे लगता है
Bygone.
No problem.
या
So this is gold. Gold chocolate.
ओ यो दिस इज नाइस
Lovely or bad?
लवली और बैड नाइस यस
Nice. Lovely.
या लवली
He's a Surya blogger. You can subscribe his channel and hit the bell icon. Okay.
तगड़ा तरीका
So bye.
लवली
I wanna meet you विकास ब्लॉगर, शो ब्लॉगर, हाउ आर यू?
भाई ठीक हूँ भाई, लंगड़ा रहा हूँ
पंच सो यू कैन गेस इट, यू कैन गेस इट, व्हाट इज दिस?
इसके अंदर टॉफी होगी और क्या होगा?
टॉफी, यस ऑफ कोर्स.
क्योंकि हमारे औकात यही है.
Yeah, I actually he's a
भाई लड़के
pranker.
करते हैं, ये तो लड़के करो ना, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, just I will
कितना है
give.
और भी?
Yeah, I will give.
ये कितने और 5-6 है क्या?
I will
भाई
give
एक मत
to-
तो यार, लड़के गुस्सा हो जाए. कम से कम 3-4 दो लड़के को यार एक बार में.
एक बार में 3-4. No, 2 and 3 no. So just actually both girls are here, so I would like to give them. Okay. So just you can see. So hello ma'am, I can punch it.
ब्राउन ब्राउन स्किन तेरी करती दीवाना है.
No? Why? Please punch it.
लियां दा हासा तेरा की कहने तेरे नखरे दे.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, because भाई कहाँ चला जाए? Where to go?
कहीं भी चलो, पहले भी रिपीट करवा दो यार.
First, you will make.
हाँ यस.
Okay, friends. So you can see this is a Lodi garden, and as well as many couples and many kind of person. I can't speak in this topic. Okay, so I wanna meet you another person as well as
Go
blogger.
two girls.
So finally friends, how did you like by watching this video? Please comment me. Actually I talked to 4 and 5 person, and as well as I tried for meeting to the foreigners, and I tried lot. Okay, so actually there was some problem, so some problem gives, so that's why right now I'm going from here. Actually there is one problem in his body, so that's why we are going. So how did you like by watching this video? Please comment and share this video, and as well as every day we will practicing daily basis. Okay, so I will meet you another video, another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, love you.
ओ कभी शाम ढले तो मेरे